Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix your problem related to your hotspot in your device Vivo Y20s. So if your hotspot is not working in your device, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your hotspot problem in your device.